Lamentablemente pasó un tragedia aquí, como es un tornado, pasó, como ve aquí que viví en esta tráiler, se volcó el otro tráiler encima y mi finada hermana se quedó debajo del otro tráiler, se fue encima. Lamentablemente se le quitó la vida de mi finada hermana y un sobrino de 2 años también.
And we all hunkered down in the floor right there. And then the next thing we know, it just sounded like an explosion went off. You could hear stuff flying everywhere. It was crazy. And that's another reason I didn't sleep last night too. So it's not. I'm thankful that we're all alive, but what hurts me more than anything is he lost his life last night. All this material stuff can be replaced, but my friend can't.
We had to gather up all the pets and hide in the bathroom. Yeah, the house was shaking, tree fell on the house. Very loud, very scary.
Yeah, it literally felt like the whole house was shaking, like the foundation, and we could hear all the trees just snapping.
Yeah.
Toda la tragedia, dónde cayó, dónde durmió, todo ya le mandé a ellos, que fue el niño y entró para aquellos.